Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Priyanka. So today in this video I'm going to create this simple pretty wedding guest makeup look, and if you want to know how I create this look, then please keep watching this video. Just to prepare my face for makeup, I'm going to use this moisturizer, and this is from Clinique. Guys, I love this moisturizer. I put it all over my face and apply it very gently. Next, I'm going to use this baby skin instant pore eraser from Maybelline. This is a very good primer. If you have a dry skin, if you have a normal to oily skin, then this primer is really good. Today I want a little bit shiny makeup look, so with my MAC foundation I'm using this Note foundation, Sun Glow foundation, and mix them together and apply it on all over my face. Note is an Italian brand, and this is a liquid form of highlighter. I always mix it with my normal foundation like L'Oreal or MAC if I want a dewy or glowy makeup look. For the concealer, I use Maybelline Age Divine Concealer, and I love this concealer because it's very creamy and easy to blend. So I put it on my eyelid, then under my eyes, also on my forehead and bridge of my nose, just to highlight that part, and blend it with a concealer brush. Next, I'm going to use my MAC Studio Fix powder with the powder brush just to fix my foundation and concealer. For the eyebrow, I use Shivana eyebrow palette and fix my eyebrows. And for the eye makeup, I choose Morphe 35R Rose Gold palette. I choose this palette because it has so many golden color. First, I choose this pinkish brown shade for the transition color and putting this into the crease of the eye. Then taking this dark brown shade and blend this with a fluffy blending brush and make sure there has no harsh line. Then in a shader brush, flat shader brush, I'm taking some makeup fixing spray, and then I'm taking this copper golden shade and putting it onto my eyelid and apply it really well so this color will nicely pigmented. So again, with a fluffy blending brush, I'm blending my all these three shades, so make sure there has no harsh line. And then I'm taking a shader brush and putting some copper golden color on the corner of my eyes. Then I applied this dark brown shade onto my lower lash line. So for the kajal, I use this Gosh kajal and apply it on my waterline. I feel any eye makeup is incomplete without a winged liner, and I'm doing a very tiny wing. For that, I'm using Maybelline Hyper Impact Liner. It's a pen eyeliner, and anyone can do very nice winged with this pen eyeliner. Now guys, you can see I'm curling my lash with this my old lash curler, and I bought it from Boots, and I've been using this from last maybe 4 years. Yeah. And for the mascara, today I use this Maybelline Push Up Drama Mascara, and really love this one guys, and apply it on my lower and upper lash line. Now it's time to apply some bronzer, and today I'm going to use this NYX matte bronzer and apply it on the hollows of my cheekbone and also the downside of my nose, and blend them very nicely and make sure there has no harsh line. Then I use my Wet n Wild blusher in Mellow Wine and peachy pink color, and I apply it with my Real Technique blusher brush. Next I'm going to apply this Wet n Wild highlighter powder, and guys, if you are looking for a budget friendly highlighter powder, then this one could be your favorite one. And I'm going to apply this on my cheekbone area, bridge of my nose, and also on my brow bone area. Because it's a wedding makeup look, and I'm wearing a sari, so I want a little bit bright lip. So for that I'm using a red lip liner from Miss Claire, and I'm lining my lips. Then I'm going to use my MAC Ruby You lipstick. Guys, I know many of you girls knows about this lipstick, and this is a hot favorite color from MAC. So that's it guys, this is my final look, something pretty simple, and anyone kind of recreate this look. Please thumbs up this video if you would like to see more wedding look, and see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, bye.